Welcome back to Parens of the Dead, and Christmas is over.
It's the 26th episode.
Yes, it's not an easy word to say.
No.
Last time you called me a bad player of this game.
I did.
And
because you made bad choice.
In the context of the game, as it is right now, there are no bad choices. There are only good choices.
Yes.
And let's maybe do something about it.
Yeah. So the zombies need to take revenge on your unruly treatment of them.
Yes, that's right.
Yes,
They want to eat brains.
Yeah.
And the idea here is that since the zombies are easily outmaneuvered, they're very dumb.
Yeah.
You can tell beforehand what they're going to do on their turn.
Yeah, they will loudly think about what they're going to do.
Yes, and I have some. Let's see if we have the DOM structure somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Do we? Do we have the DOM structure somewhere? Oh, have we lost it? Is it in the cheats?
It's in the cheats.
Cheats. DOM structure. So intentions. So you can see here, zombies have a position, they have some health, they have some punches, they have a thought bubble, and intentions.
Yeah. So when they enter the stage, they will think about what they're going to do, so you can prepare for that specific.
Yeah. So to do this, we actually have to touch the client again, which has actually been quite a while since we last did it.
Yeah.
But so here's the cheat sheet for that. Do we start with the client or do we start with implementation?
We can start with the client because that will tell us what data we need.
That's true.
Mm-hmm.
So we add a zombie and there's the prepare zombie.
Mm-hmm.
So I have been known to regret this before, but I think we will just hard code in an intention.
Yeah, I thought maybe start in the component. So we can render the DOM.
Yeah, we can render the DOM and not care about the... Yeah, that's true.
Because then you have the recipe, and then we can write the test for the actionizer.
Yeah.
And then we can backtrack all the way up.
That's true. Let's do that. So we have the health, we have the punches, and now we are going to have a thought bubble that's next to the zombie, here inside the zombie position. So we have a thought bubble, and the thought bubble should actually have these styles.
Mm-hmm.
So,
and the thought bubble should probably also be conditional on whether or not there are thoughts.
And the intentions. Yeah. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do def intentions and just create some. So how does this look? Intention X, which is the number of intention, and then there's just punch, heal, shield, cleaver, and so on.
Mm-hmm. So in the style of the other, we do have a range, and so the only thing you really need is the intention.
Punch.
Yeah.
It's going to punch you twice.
But yeah.
I think this is right. So I'm going to do...
So is there a specific reason you want to do this instead of a map with a kind punch or something like that? Or intention punch or...
I'm here sort of just falling back on the way the CSS works.
Yeah.
And I know that there are going to be one sort of intention class with...
Yeah, I agree. I just... this leaves very little room for extension.
That's true.
Yeah, but we can start here. It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah. If we are going to, we have been trying to sort of pare down what this client knows to an extreme degree, sort of even sending in the class.
Mm-hmm.
And I think this sort of feels like the same thing.
Yeah, I agree.
Intention classes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe even call it that.
Sure.
So if there are any intention classes, then we render the thought bubble.
Yeah.
And we will do a class, which is intentions and the number of intention classes.
And then just
For class.
Intention classes.
Intention classes. There's an intention with the class of class. It's classy.
Class.
Oh, look.
Wow. He wants to punch you.
Yeah, he wants to punch you, but there's only one of them.
Yeah, and he did want to punch you twice.
He did.
So
So is count? That's weird. Let's take a look. What has been rendered? There's intentions 1. That's because it's like
yeah. So yeah.
There we go.
There we go.
2 punches.
Yeah, very nice.
So this is there's the intention classes that the actionizer is going to be using.
So now you can just put that in the destructuring of the zombie.
Yes.
And remove the hard-coded one, and then we can move 1 step up the up the ladder to heaven.
Now it's no longer thinking about stuff.
Yeah.
And that was all of the client coding we're going to do for a while. Which is pretty cool.
Client coding is so difficult.
So, okay, but now there are going to be some intention classes here.
Mm-hmm. It would be very nice if the zombie had an int 32.
That would be.
Yeah.
I'm just going to nail it right now because I want to now go for the implementation.
Yeah.
We have seen that it works. Intention classes is currently empty.
Here we go.
So, what determines how a zombie behaves?
Yeah. So we know that there will be different kinds of zombies.
Yes, for sure.
And every kind of zombie will have their behavior defined somewhere.
Yes.
Yeah. Like these are my possible actions.
Okay, I'm going to do first zombies here.
Yeah.
Just so we can start thinking about this.
Mm-hmm.
Because you're saying there are different zombies.
Mm-hmm. And the first one we have is the biker, but there are others that will come eventually.
And he will start with 8 max in current health. And and he will have some behaviors.
Yeah. Behavior. This is his behavior. And you can have like a set of possible actions he performs in a round.
Okay.
And some strategy for selecting the next one.
Yes. So actions are they just these keywords? The same keywords? Like sort of punch and punch?
Yeah,
Is
sure.
that an action?
Yeah. Let's start there.
So this then. It has a set of actions. You can punch you twice, or you can punch you once.
Yeah.
1 or 2 punches. It's a biker.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So what's the strategy then?
Let's start by just selecting by round number. So it'll just cycle through. Like it will punch, and then we'll punch, and then we'll punch. And I mean, it could be random or whatever. You could have, like, if you have more advanced zombies, maybe they will heal if they need it. Whatever.
Yeah.
But for now, we'll just pick from the round number.
That's good. So the first round, it punches you twice. I think 1 punch is too little. So punch and punches.
Punches, yeah. 3 punches.
Yeah.
In your face.
Okay. This looks good to me.
Yeah.
Of course, we now have a behavior for our zombie. So what's the intention classes? How do we get from here to there?
That happens in the... that happens when you add the zombie.
Yeah.
Or...
I don't think you actually do, because...
It should not do that, because he's going to change his intentions for every round. So we need to also change it when the round ends.
Yes.
So that means... take it out of the added zombie event, I think.
Yeah, the added zombie just adds it to the game.
Mm-hmm.
But the total game state, the round number in this case, will determine what the zombie is preparing to do this turn.
There is no round number.
There is no round number. That's true.
Let's start there.
We can start there. It's should be...
Or just...
Should we stunt in the start number in a round number in a couple of minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine. I will set round. It's another set.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry. It's the first round number. Is it 0 or 1? It's round number 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do we have any tests for it?
Start round.
Start. Yep. Yeah. Start round. Start round. That's very interesting.
It's a better
because it does has a number, and maybe it will maybe it's the start round event that will update intentions.
Yeah, maybe.
So we have added a zombie, we've set the player health, we've added dice and the rerolls, and we're ready to start the round.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool. And I guess we don't have a start round event in our update game.
No.
So I will.
Do you want to add a test for that?
Yes, I do.
I can feel an incoming cliffhanger.
Yes, agreed. Start round. Start round number 1. Okay.
And that just sets round 1.
Round number. Round?
Yeah.
Round number.
Yeah.
Number. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
There you go.
This is not the way things are. And so game, I want to update. No, come on, update this one.
Mm-hmm.
Start.
Yeah, set the total end.
Start round, and then.
Oops.
I can't type anymore. Round number.
A vacation.
Yeah, it's been a vacation. It's been a long vacation.
Number in the opt.
Number in opt. So, perfect.
Yes, we now have the start round. We do need to start a new round.
Mm-hmm.
And
when we finish a turn.
Yes.
So we'll go here. Starts new round.
Mm-hmm. You need to add a round. You can remove the dice, perhaps.
I can remove the dice. Round 1.
Yeah.
And then it says start round, and then I get start round number 2.
Mm-hmm.
Terrible. There we go, sir.
Thank you, and good night. No, I just realized this is start round. It should be started round.
Yeah.
Yep. This is hard. This is hard. Started round. Started round. Because this is an event.
Yeah,
Something
I know.
that happened.
Yeah.
Started. Does this work now? No.
No, there's another start round.
On line 40. No, it's on line 40. Started round number 1.
Yeah.
Great. And then we have finish turn. Started round number.
I think this doesn't really matter, but the round should start after you set the seed.
Yeah, there's something there for sure. But now we are again in the funny business of having to update all of these tests to add the round number.
Yeah.
Which is round number.
You could do F0. But that's it's not good.
It isn't. So we are over our time. Do we sort of look at this problem in the next episode before we continue? Why do I now have to go back and update all of these tests?
We will do that.
Okay.
So stay tuned for that. A really exciting cliffhanger.
We're no longer punching zombies. We're being professional IT developers.
Oh no.
Oh no.